Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block countries in Shopify. So, first is head over to your Shopify admin page, and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Settings and look for Shipping and Delivery. Next, in Shipping section, click on General Shipping Rates. Then scroll down until you see international. So from here, we're just going to click the three dot icon beside it, then click on edit zone. And from here, you can start searching for country and region that you want to block. So say, for example, we want to block Malaysia. We're just going to search for it. And all you have to do is uncheck this country, then proceed by clicking on done. To save changes, just click on the save button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!